going on, guys? Got a nice 5-degree day up here in Maine. Figured I'd do a little walk around of my John Deere 726 snowblower. This is a Tecumseh 7 horsepower H70 motor with a 26-inch bucket. From what I understand, these were made by Aaron's and given to John Deere. They put some finishing touches on it. From what I can distinguish, John Deere kind of makes their own handlebars / controls. Basically, the rest of the machine is pretty much an all Aaron's machine. Tecumseh H70 motor, like I said earlier. I did add an electric start on it. Didn't come with one. Other than that, it's been a great little machine. Did a little touch-up paint work in the bucket. Replace the auger bearing in it. It is Impeller modded, if you can see down in there. That definitely helps quite a bit. It's got the little stubby chute, which doesn't shoot too great, but you know, for a little camp machine, which is what I use this for, it's not bad. Controls are very simple. Got auger, engage, disengage, throttle, bring it all the way back to stall it out. Got the speed control here, forward, reverse. Here's a lever to engage it. It does have a set pin so that you don't have to hold this down. Makes for a pretty easy operation. Let's see what else. According to the serial number on the Tecumseh engine, I believe that this is an early 80s. I want to say like an 81, 82 machine. So, it is, like I said, a nice 5-degree day. Let's give it a shot. See if she starts up. This thing normally is never a problem. Put the choke all the way on. See what happens. Not bad. Got it running. Do a little action shot for you. Pretty good. Show's pretty good today. Well, there you have it, guys. Good little machine. If you get one of these, it definitely benefits heavily from the Impeller mod. The other thing, that, like I said, the chute, if you wanted to upgrade that, put the taller one that come on the 824s. That should bolt right on. That'd be a great thing to do too. If you check out some of my other videos, I do a lot of Predator swaps in some older snowblowers, but this one really, the motor still runs very strong. These Tecumseh engines, when they're running good, they're running great. And this one definitely runs good. Tire chains, definitely a big help. Those kind of older style tires don't work very well unless they're chained up. So, anyways, if you guys like this content, please like, share, subscribe. Videos coming. Thank you very much.